In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 501 error. The issue is caused because you most likely have the DMM version of Uma Musume installed. The Steam version and the DMM version cannot coexist with each other, but with this solution, you should be able to have both DMM version and Steam version coexist without the error. So first, you need to click on the search bar here, and then you want to type in run, click enter, and you make sure you want to type this in, %app data like this. You want to click OK. And once you click on OK, you will get a folder that pops up. You want to actually click on app data because that's not really where we want to be. You want to click on this folder, locallow. And then you want to locate Cygames. And then you'll be on this page where you have Uma Musume. You actually want to make sure that you move everything out. Make sure the folder is empty. Click OK. And it's completely empty. Now what you want to do is you want to right click and you want to open your terminal or PowerShell, but it should come up like this. You want to make sure you copy this into the section here. This line, I'll put it in the description, but you actually want to copy the pathing and you want to put it in between info and enable. So you actually want to click on the address bar here for your folder. And then you want to go to in between info and you just want to make sure there's enough space. You want to click on that. And then you want to click enter. And you should receive a message that this is enabled, which should theoretically resolve the issue. But if the issue is still persisting, you want to take additional steps. So you want to click on search here, and you want to actually type in terminal. You want to run as administrator. You want to click yes. And then you want to have this line here, which I will also put in the description, but this should resolve the error if you do get one after the first line. And then once you're finished, you want to take your 2 folders, or your 3 folders. In this case, I only have 1 because I only have the Steam version. And you should be set. You should be able to run the game without seeing the error. Thanks for watching.